Welcome back friends. Chapter number 3, how many squares. In this chapter we learn how to find the outer boundary. What is outer boundary? That is perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of sides of given figure. Then we learn area. Area means surface occupied by the object. कोई पण object કેટલું surface area occupy કરે, that is a area. Then we learn 4 equation for the examples, that are area of square, side multiply side, area of rectangle, length multiply breadth. Perimeter of square 4 multiply side and perimeter of rectangle 2 multiply length plus breadth. Today we will use these equations to solve some word problem. Okay. So here first is find the area and perimeter of rectangle whose length is 8 cm and breadth is 2 cm. Here you need to find both area and perimeter. So what is the equation for area of rectangle? Length into breadth, and perimeter is 2 multiply L plus B. So we can write here what is the length? 8 cm and breadth 2 cm. So area of rectangle L multiply B. Instead of length and breadth you can write short form L multiply B. So here length is 8, breadth is 2. 60 square centimeter, that is unit of area. The unit of area. If this unit are in a meter, जो सेंटीमीटर की जगह मीटर हो तो यहाँ से आप स्क्वायर मीटर. Now perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into bracket L plus. Now length is 8 and breadth is 2. I already told you that whenever there is a bracket, first solve the bracket. 8 plus 2, 10. Now 2 is in multiplication, so 2 tens are 20 centimeter. This is the unit of perimeter. Example is find the perimeter of square shaped flower bed of side 8 centimeter, 8 meter. Okay, what you need to find? There is a flower bed, means there is a garden is there. Of 8 meter, you need to find the perimeter. So, what is the perimeter? Shape is square, so you can write perimeter of square flower bed. That will be 4 multiply side. Now here side is given 8 meter. So multiply by 8. 32 meter is the perimeter of flower bed. Next is find the area of polygon. So here first is length is equal to 24 and breadth is 12 centimeter. So area of rectangle. Why it is rectangle? Because length and breadth are different. If length and breadth are same, then it will be a square. Length multiply breadth, we need to write equation for an area of rectangle. 24 multiply 12. Now multiply 24 with 12. 280 square centimeter. That is your answer. Now next one. Length is equal to 20 centimeter and breadth is 100 centimeter. Find the area. So area of rectangle, that is L multiply B. 20 multiply 10. 20 multiply 10 is 200 square centimeter. Next one, square of side 20 centimeter. Here you need to find area of square whose side is 25 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side multiply side. Equation is side multiply side. 25 multiply 25. If you perform multiplication of 25 with 25, you will get 625 square centimeter. Now next one, square of side 40 centimeter, same as the previous one. Area of square, side multiply side, 40 multiply 40. If you multiply 40 with 40, you will get 1600 square centimeter. Now next one, a room is of length 5 meter and breadth 4 meter. Find the cost of cementing the room at the rate of 40 per square meter. Now what is the cementing? Cementing means it is like a flooring. Flooring આખું એરિયા કવર કરે. તમારા ઘરે ફ્લોર હોય તો ફ્લોર ઉપર આપણે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ટાઇલ્સ કવર અપ કરે. સો ઇટ કવર ધ ઓલ એરિયા ઓફ રૂમ. રૂમનો આખો એરિયા કવર કરે. તો એ શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું થાય? એરિયા. If we are considering the boundary, then we need to find the perimeter. Here it is word cementing. Cementing means it is performed on whole surface. That's why we need to find area of room. Clear? Then the cost is also given 40 rupees per square meter. Means 1 meter નું cementing કરવાનો cost શું છે? 40 rupees. 1 square meter નો cost શું છે? 40 rupees. So first of all we need to find area of room. Here length is given 5 meter and breadth is given 4 meter. So we can find area of room. That is L into B. Length is 5 multiply 4. 20 square meter. Here unit is meter. So in answer unit is square meter. Now cost for 1 meter is equal to rupees 40. Per square meter it means per 1 square meter. So for 1 square meter cost is rupees 40. So how many square meter we have? 20. So cost for 20 square meter is how much? Cross multiplication. 20 is multiplied with 40 divided by 1. 800 rupees. जो 1 मीटर ना 40 rupees हो तो 20 मीटर ना क्या था? 800 rupees. This way, if you want to find area of your room, તમે અત્યારે જે રૂમમાં બેઠા છો એ રૂમનું એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરવું હોય તો શું કરવાનું? રૂમની લેન્થ મેઝર કરવાની, રૂમની બ્રેથ મેઝર કરવાની, પછી બંનેને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. This way you can get the area of your room. You can also find the perimeter of your room by using the equation. Only you need two values, length and breadth. Now next, find the length of frame required for the picture of length 500 meter and breadth 300 meter. Now what do you mean by frame? Frame એટલે શું? Frame means outer boundary and outer boundary means what? It is the perimeter. એટલે પહેલા જે વર્ડ પ્રોબ્લેમમાં વર્ડ આપ્યો હોય એને મીનિંગ સમજવાનો ટ્રાય કરો. Here cementing means it is covered all surface. So it is area. And frame means outer boundary. So here we need to find the perimeter of rectangle with the length 500 meter and breadth 300 meter. So perimeter of rectangle that is 2 multiply L plus B. Plus 300 is 800. 800 is multiplied with 2. 1600 meter. So this is the perimeter of frame. Means if we are considering this frame, means if we start from here, this length gives this side. So what will be length of frame? So length of frame should be 1600 meter.